Imagine waking up to a new Khaby Lame video, posted while he's asleep. Not a repost, an AI avatar that looks, moves, and reacts like him 24/7. And yes, this is tied to the Khaby Lame $1 billion AI avatar deal. Here's why it matters right now. Social platforms used to reward creators for creativity. Now they reward constant output. Live streams, TikTok shop, endless content cycles, always on engagement. And AI turns always on from a human limit into a business feature because the creator doesn't have to be there. The book idea underneath this is simple and a little unsettling. Modern systems aren't just built to offer value. They are built to capture time. Your minutes are the product. And when a creator can deploy an AI version of themselves, the system can capture even more time, yours and theirs, at industrial scale. So let's connect the dots. Khaby Lame reportedly signed an all-stock deal in late January 2026 with Rich Sparkle Holdings for 51% of his company, granting exclusive global commercial rights to his brand, including building an AI digital twin. Using his likeness, voice, gestures, and expressions for multilingual content and around-the-clock fan engagement. The pitch is obvious. One of the world's biggest creators becomes infinitely scalable. Now, 3 ways this changes the time economy for creators and for the rest of us. AI avatars turn attention into a factory line. When content can be generated 24/7, the real product becomes uninterrupted attention. Picture it. You're in Jakarta. It's midnight. You open your feed. There's Khaby reacting to a hack, linking to a product in TikTok shop,